welcome to my channel. My name is Chrissy and today I want to go through how to decorate a girl's room. Now my daughter's 11 and I've recently renovated her room and I've created a sanctuary here, and I thought I'd just share some of my ideas and might give you some tips as well about when your children are transitioning into the teenage years. It's like you want them to they want to start feeling like more of an adult. So I've actually worked around, I've worked around the red curtains that I already had in this room because I didn't want to have to get all new window coverings because that's a very big expense. So the curtains were fine. So I worked around that and I managed to find this beautiful floral doona cover at Harris Scarf, I think it was. And my daughter was really happy with that because it felt quite grown up. Then we found some beautiful cushions that were really fluffy and soft and inviting, and that just creates that really cozy space. I've also picked up a little heart cushion from Target that I just throw on the bed, which creates a little bit of bling and brings a little bit of fun into the space as well. Now what we did here, we decided to use these white cabinets. I had them in another room, but these were perfect to just put her little knickknacks. We store her books in here, and this is a really practical space because from the doorway you actually can't see the clutter, but my daughter can actually get to her books. Now another idea that I had with this room was to put a magnet board in. This is a great idea if you don't want any blue tack and paint coming off your walls and you don't want 100 posters sort of stuck up. This is a really good option. We bought a variety of magnets. My daughter's really into tigers, and she can also put the book she's reading into the little wire space. So that's just a little fun part of the room. Now on this side, if we come over this way, I've got some little cupboards here which store her coats, jackets, jumpers. We're still into stuffed toys, so I've sort of managed to blend these into the room as well. Now if we look at this cupboard, this was an old cupboard that I had that I actually redid. So I gave it a paint job, and if you look closely, I changed these knobs just to bring in a little bit of fun. My daughter picked the knobs out and they're all different colors. They're all in the sort of blue tones, so they're a little bit, just create a bit of a different look and a bit of a fun cupboard, and all her clothing and things go in here. We've also got a TV in this room, which gives her that private space as well. Now she's got a beautiful aspect out the window, and if we look around into the corner of the room, there's a gorgeous blue chair that I bought her. Now this is her, I can actually sit here. This is her little reading space, and I got this at the Reject Shop, which is one of the cheaper shops around town. And these are the kind of things you've got to look out for. Creating little spaces for your children to have as little zones that they can spend more time in their room. So that's something that you really need to be thinking about when you're creating in a child's room. It's important to make it their space and have it so that there's things that they can do and enjoy, and make it plush and inviting. There's so many beautiful fabrics and things around now that you can make things really comfortable and create that beautiful space for them to enjoy. I also went, if you look, I'll just get Tarada to show you the carpet. I went for a really beautiful charcoal carpet, which really grounds you. Dark floors always really ground you and make a space feel very comfortable. And I love having carpet because it's very cozy, and we live in a very cold climate in the mountains, so it makes the space really warm. So look, hopefully some of these tips help you today on how to do up a girl's room. If you'd like to check out any other of my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.